Whether you are a gamer, a creative professional, or those working on high-powered demanding PCs, an 850 watts power supply is the best option to fuel a gaming rig or workstation. Number 1. Thermaltake Tough Power GX3 PSU. Thermaltake's Tough Power GX3 PSU is ideal for those who demand both efficiency and high performance in their gaming rigs and high-end PC builds. Compliant with the latest Intel ATX 3.0 standards, this delivers stable and powerful energy, ensuring your components get the power they need without fluctuation. It also features a 120mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, which significantly reduces noise, making it a great choice for users who value a quiet working environment. One of the standout features of the GX3 is its commitment to reliability and efficiency, marked by its 80+ Gold certification. This ensures that the power supply operates at a minimum of 90% efficiency at 50% load, thereby reducing heat and energy consumption. However, the non-modular design might deter users who prioritize a clean and organized build, as it requires managing all included cables regardless of necessity. Equipped with PCI Gen 5.0 support, the GX3 is primed for high-performance computing needs, staying ready for future upgrades. Its comprehensive protection systems help shield essential components from power surges and instability. This balance of future technology and reliability makes it a go-to choice for serious builders. Number 2. Corsair RMX Power Supply. Corsair's RM850X features a fully modular cable system that enhances airflow and system cleanliness by permitting the connection of only essential cables. This 850 watts power supply is renowned for its silent operation, modular design, and superior reliability. It boasts an 80+ Gold certification, highlighting its commitment to energy efficiency, which helps reduce operational costs and maintain high system performance with minimal heat generation. Featuring a 0 RPM fan mode, Corsair's power supply promises a whisper-quiet operation under low and medium loads, perfect for settings where noise is a concern, like recording studios or audio-sensitive environments. This quiet performance is bolstered by the use of premium, 105 degrees Celsius rated Japanese capacitors, ensuring durability and consistent power delivery across various load conditions. This power supply isn't just about silent operation, it's about stable, reliable power that's critical in preventing system failures. Safety is a priority with this power supply, which includes over-temperature protection among its many robust features. It's designed for enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable power source for demanding applications like gaming and content creation. Number 3. EVGO 850 G5 Power Supply. The EVGO 850 watts power supply integrates unparalleled efficiency, modular cabling, and silent operation. Boasting an 80+ Gold certification, the power supply achieves up to 91% efficiency under typical loads, facilitating significant energy savings and reduced heat output. Its fully modular design not only keeps builds clutter-free but also enhances airflow, optimizing the internal environment of PC cases. With its fan-only operational during heavier loads, this EVGO power supply, built with premium Japanese capacitors, excels in both quietness and reliability. The specialized eco mode and fluid dynamic bearing technology maintain a low noise level, ideal for users who need a silent operation. The choice of high-quality Japanese capacitors further guarantees a long-lasting and dependable power supply solution. The G5 PSU enhances overall stability with its sophisticated active clamp plus DC-DC converter design, which is crucial for the 3.3 volts/5 volts stability. This feature is indispensable for high-performance gaming setups and other demanding applications that require stable and consistent power. It exemplifies the blend of advanced technology with practical, user-centric designs that mark today's top power supplies. Number 4. Aeros-Game AGT Series Power Supply. Aeros-Game Series Power Supply. Aeros-Game AGT Power Supply for gamers and builders in need of 850 watts. Blending cost-effectiveness with robust performance. With its 80+ gold certification, it ensures at least 90% efficiency at typical loads, offering a reliable and economical power solution. Its fully modular design enhances the building experience by allowing only necessary cables, which improves airflow and minimizes clutter inside the PC case. The AGT is equipped with an ultra-quiet 120mm FDB, fluid dynamic bearing, fan, which significantly reduces noise levels, making it an excellent option for users who prioritize a quiet operating environment. Additionally, the compact size of the power supply, being only 140mm deep, makes it an ideal fit for a variety of case sizes, including more compact options that are popular in modern gaming rigs. With its commitment to durability, the power supply integrates robust safety mechanisms such as OVP, UVP, and OPP. These features not only ensure the longevity of the power supply itself but also protect your valuable components from electrical issues. The power supply is chosen based on its ability to safeguard system performance and maintain overall component stability. Number 5. MSI MPGA 850G Power Supply. MSI MPGA 850G Power Supply. MSI MPGA 850G is designed specifically for gaming PCs that require both stability and efficiency. Its 80+ gold certification ensures top-tier energy efficiency, allowing high-performance systems to operate smoothly without excessive heat generation. Tailored for gaming enthusiasts, this PSU delivers the power needed for modern games while minimizing energy consumption. With its fully modular design, the MPGA 850G offers the flexibility to use only the necessary cables, keeping their builds clutter-free and enhancing airflow. This thoughtful feature is a major draw for gamers who prioritize both form and function. Its native 16-pin PGA connector adds a level of future-proofing, making it capable of supporting the latest high-end graphics cards, a crucial aspect for those looking to stay ahead in gaming performance. To ensure durability and stability, the MSI is designed with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, built to handle intense gaming sessions and demanding applications. The power supply's robust design allows it to deliver consistent performance even under heavy loads. For users seeking a reliable and long-lasting solution for their high-end gaming PCs, this power supply stands out as a top contender. Number 6. Segatep GM850 Power Supply. Segatep's GM850 combines future technology with robust performance, making it ideal for both current and future high-end gaming and professional builds. Equipped with the latest ATX 3.0 and PKI 5.0 standards, it ensures compatibility with next-gen hardware. Its 80+ Gold certification guarantees high efficiency, allowing it to operate effectively under varying loads while minimizing energy waste and heat output. With the GM850, effective cable management is achieved through its fully modular design, which also plays a crucial role in optimizing case aesthetics and cooling performance. Equipped with the 12V HPWR cable, delivering up to 600 watts of power, the GM850 is well prepared to handle even the most demanding GPUs. For those aiming to build a powerhouse system, this PSU provides the reliability and streamlined setup necessary for maintaining peak performance. Protecting PC from power fluctuations, the SegaTEP delivers multiple safeguards like OCP, OVP, UVP, OPP, SCP, and OTP, blending reliability with cutting-edge performance for demanding setups. With these extensive protective measures, it not only shields your valuable components but also enhances the overall efficiency of your system. This balance of protection and power makes the SegaTEP a standout choice, meeting the rigorous expectations established throughout this guide's top power supply reviews. Number 7. Redragon RGPS Power Supply. Redragon RGPS Power Supply. Redragon's RGPS 850 watts PRO is designed to deliver high performance and efficiency for advanced users and gamers alike. The 80+ Gold certification ensures optimal energy usage, reducing both power consumption and heat buildup. Its fully modular design offers a streamlined approach to cable management, resulting in better airflow and a cleaner, more organized setup, perfect for demanding workloads. With an advanced cooling solution at its core, the PSU ensures a silent experience through its 0 RPM mode, keeping the fan off during lower workloads, a feature beloved by gamers and professionals seeking quiet environments. Beyond its quiet operation, this power supply brings robust performance to the table with ATX 3.1 and PKI 5.1 readiness. This makes it a perfect fit for the latest high-performance GPUs and motherboards, ensuring seamless compatibility and power delivery. Designed for long-term performance, this power supply integrates 100% Japanese capacitors, ensuring dependable functionality throughout its lifespan. This ensures uninterrupted operation, making it a reliable source of power for both current and future technologies.